volcano.
It looks like
Okay, I tried to let them start, but anyway. Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to do this Discovery Kids thing Jillian got for Christmas. It's called Create an Avalanche. So we're going to see how that goes.
Mountain kit.
And basically it's just, I don't know, we're going to create an avalanche somehow, I guess.
It has.
Come out!
It
Alright.
fake snow.
And then you have, pretty much you have the little, what's supposed to be the
Avalanche.
the mountain.
We got instant snow.
It looks like a volcano, though.
We got instant
They
snow.
can't listen to two people at one time. It kind of looks like a volcano to me, but I guess it's a mountain. You get a spoon for your water.
and we got some water.
And water. And go ahead.
Instant snow.
And 6-step instructions, which, let's get real, that's awesome.
Look, and it says power snow. Still power.
Snow power.
So it says first, assemble the mountain as such.
Still power.
She said it said power. It says powder.
It said power.
Place on top of newspaper magazines or something to prevent getting messy. Using the snow powder scoop, place a scoop full of powder onto the top of the mountain. Stop.
May I do this?
May I do this? No, you may not. I'm gonna do it, please.
It's Jillian.
You can do the water
Look, 2 months is gonna cry.
in the video.
Cry me a river.
No, I don't know how.
He's staring at me in the background.
Jillian's freaked out. You can see over there.
There's a Chucky doll and it's creeping me
My
out.
mom brought me a Chucky doll, so he's sitting up back there.
Chucky's gonna eat you.
There.
Anyway,
How
okay.
No.
Stop. One scoop
Scoop.
into there.
Scoop.
Full scoopy scoop. Right in there.
That's enough?
I reckon it says a scoop. What the hell, Lois?
It's doing?
Go put it in.
It's like
Go
going in.
in for the scoop.
It was going in there. Like, it was like just flying. No one was doing anything. It's all over my hands now.
Okay. And
It's
then,
moving inside of the...
yeah, stop.
It's moving.
No, quit. It says take your spoon and add
Now I can do
2.
it. Can I do it?
No.
Dad's gonna do the
I
water.
can do it.
Dad's gonna do the water.
And then it says add 2 milliliters
I don't know.
of water to the
Don't drop
middle.
it. Don't drop it. Don't drop it.
And then it says watch
Oh
the
my
snow
God!
expand.
We need to add another one, don't we? I think we need to add another scoop.
What the hell happened?
I think we need to add another
Why you need paper? It's not doing anything.
So I need ice scoops until like.
So as usual, I'm not listening to the directions and I'm gonna add another scoop.
Oh.
It's slowly going.
No, look.
Nope, it stopped.
No, it's
Oh, it's still going.
It is?
Yeah, it's still
Oh, it
going.
is.
Another scoop.
What step are you on? What step are you on?
Number 4. Actually, we're on number 5. Watch the stuff expand, but as you can see, it don't look like it's expanding
I want to
anymore.
add the next scoop. We're going to add another scoop and see what happens. We're not going to follow the directions this time.
Another scoop.
Oh, it's
There we
going.
go.
Oh, it's going a little bit.
No, Terrence, you want to do the scoop?
Hold on, let it stop.
Let it stop expanding. I think it's unleveled. It's definitely not leveled.
I'll do it on that side.
Do it on the other side.
Can
So
we do it?
I'll just put another one in there.
Is it doing anything?
Oh.
Oh, it's almost at the top now. It shouldn't have took all that, but okay.
Another scoop.
How many scoops have we done?
Like 5.
Put it right in that crack right there.
It's not doing anything.
Yes, it is.
No, it's
Just take the water and pour it in there.
That's how it's going.
It's gonna take forever for this thing to overflow.
Yeah, this is gonna take a while.
Now it's done. No, it's going down when you add the water.
No, it's
What is
absorbing.
It may do it sometime this year.
Add more powder. Add more snow powder.
Oh, it's not good.
Okay, y'all, we're gonna make a damn avalanche one way or the other, so let's just.
Add more powder. There we go. There we go.
There we go. Maybe.
It's still. Oh no, it's going.
Oh, that's
Don't touch it.
so
What
cold.
does it feel like?
It feels like
Diaper
snow.
shit.
And I made a hole in it. YouTubers broke it. Oh, it looks like a froze volcano. Okay, now I will admit it does look like a volcano. Can you scoop? I get to do it.
By gosh, we're gonna see it avalanche one way.
There we. Nope, maybe. There. Oh, this is crap.
Avalanche!
This-
Look, it's rolling away.
This is crap. Tim's just adding non-stop.
Okay, stop. That's too much. Look, we had an avalanche.
Ew,
Roll away.
Ew, it feels like diaper stuff.
That's probably what it is.
It feels like diaper stuff. This
Wait,
cactus
that's what there's no power.
It's powder.
Y'all are being too loud.
Look, you can mold it.
And as, you know, everything else in these kits,
It's crap.
it didn't work
It's
out.
crap.
But oh well.
Take its head off.
Dearest,
And give me the head.
It was fun anyway.
Dearest, stick the head off.
Stop.
Or what?
I don't think that's how that was supposed to happen. Look at it. Look.
See? I made it work. Mommy put too much powder and then I put too much. Oh my god, look what I did on the desk! Look what I did!
Y'all are being too
The
loud.
water fell on the desk.
Okay, so there's our avalanche. It sucked,
It was crap.
but there
Dump
it
it
is.
out.
Look, I made it out of it.
It's made it fall.
Tim's making a great wall of China over there.
I'm just dumping it out.
Wait, well, turn on. Get smashed in 3, 2, 1.
Jeez.
I like that not to get on my floor.
Too bad, it will.
It's too messy not to.
You can use this for cloud slime.
I'm pretty sure it's diaper crap.
Oh, that's probably why.
Okay, let's try it again the right way.
Okay,
And let's see if it...
hold on. Okay. Empty it! Empty it out!
It's being too
Jared
loud.
gets to collect the snow.
Yes.
Collect it.
Take your diaper crap and go.
No. Give me some clear glue, some slime.
Okay, now we're going to try again.
I want to
I'm just going to put it at the bottom. And
Put the whole thing in there. Ready? And go. Let's see if this... Actually working a little bit better.
yeah, no, still ain't really doing what it's supposed to.
I don't think they can see where it's growing. Yeah, they can. Oh, it's working better. It's growing faster.
It should really tell you that you need to keep adding the crap until it overflows.
No,
Okay, Timorous.
that'd be too hard. Mommy, that'd just be too hard, wouldn't it? Now I get to do it.
Yes.
Okay.
Look, it's growing a bean.
What? Me and Therese are gonna go build the Great Snow Wall. Look, see, you sunk it. You sunk it! You made a sink! We need more powder.
Well, y'all, that's that.
Powder! I can save it! I will save it! I can save it. Oh.
I don't think there's any saving.
I can save it! I can save it! One more scoop and it will fall! Come on! One try.
There you go. Timorous trying to
There
find
we
it.
go.
It's snowing. Guys, it's snowing.
You're fixing to get it in your slushy.
I don't care, my slush's gone anyway.
Water power! Hold on, we're gonna make the Great Wall of Snowy. And then we're gonna smash it.
Okay, well, snowy. 3,
2, 1! That was crap, Temperance.
Okay.
More!
Y'all pray for me. Look at all this.
Yay!
Anyway, it was fun. I enjoyed it.
No, quit!
It's now going to be all over my room. So, as always, thank y'all for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next dumb experiment. Bye.